and write this same equation I have reproduced here, dxa by this complete term in the denominator, k1 ca0 divided by xa squared into dt on this side. We have to integrate this. So this we will split into partial fraction, a by xae minus xa, b by this bracket term xae minus into bracket 2xae minus 1 into xa. So we solve this, write the numerator as a into this complete term plus b into xae minus xa is equal to 1. So equating the numerators, if I substitute xa is equal to xae, this becomes 0 and xa is xae. Okay, so a becomes 1 by xae minus 2xae minus 1, this xa replaced by xae. This I can solve further, write as xae minus 2xae squared minus xae. This xae minus 2xae square plus xae. Okay, so xae plus xae is 2xae. So 2xae is common. 1, this is minus 2xae square. So 2xae I should write minus xae in bracket. So value of a, this constant, is 1 upon 2xae into 1 minus xae. So same equation we will use again. We will substitute the value of the constant which is obtained here and write xa is equal to 0. So if I make xa is equal to 0, I am left with b into xae. If this xa is written as 0, so this 0 into complete bracket becomes 0 and in the numerator we have xae only. And a is 1 by 2 xae into 1 minus xae. So this we have written. Okay. So to find out b, I am keeping b xae on this side and 1 minus this term transferred on the other side. Okay. This is 2xae minus 2xae square. So if I multiply by 1, 2xae minus 2xae square minus xae. This is the numerator. Denominator is same. So this 2xae minus xae is xae. Xae minus 2xae square, same value of denominator here. Then this we can write as xae into 1 minus 2xae, and this xae on both the sides we can cancel out and we get b is equal to 1 minus 2xae divided by 2 into xae into bracket 1 minus xae. So this is the value of b. So we have these fractions, we have reproduced it from earlier. Now we can write it as dxa. A is 1 by 2xae into 1 minus xae. B by this bracket we have retained and b is equal to 1 minus 2xae by 2xae into 1 minus xae, this term is equal to k1 ca0 xae square into dt. Okay, these terms constant we can take outside the bracket. 1 minus 2xae into 1 minus xae, this is dxa by xae minus xa plus 1 minus 2xae divided by this bracket here and dxa is equal to same thing on the right hand side. Now this we can transfer on this side, that is 2xae into 1 minus xae into k1 ca0 divided by xae square dt. This xae will cancel out with this square term. So in denominator you are left with only xae term, and this will be integral zero to t dt. So this right hand side I can write as simply 2 into 1 minus xae k1 ca0 by xae only. dxa by xae minus xa. So we will solve this. dxa by xae minus xa is minus ln of xae minus xa integral 0 to xa. If you substitute these limits, you get this in the numerator minus, if you substitute this 0, so minus ln of xae. So you can write as minus ln of xae minus xa by xa. This we have done earlier also, this kind of thing. Here 1 minus 2 xae in the numerator. If you multiply by this minus sign, it becomes 1 minus 2 xae. And this you can make plus. So 1 minus 2 xae is the numerator, is the derivative of denominator. So log of denominator, log of denominator. So this term minus, if you substitute this 0, this whole terms become 0 and you get minus ln of xae. So minus ln of xae term you can write in the denominator. So you get ln of xae minus 2xae minus 1 into xa, same term, divided by xae after you substitute the lower limit. Now this I have written here, solution of this integral, this value I have written here, and that is equal to 2 k1 ca0 and 1 minus xae minus 1. So 1 minus 1 by xae minus 1 from here. So you are left with xae only in the denominator. So 1 by xae minus xae by xa is 1. So 1 by xae minus 1, that is left on this side. Okay, rest of the things 2 k1 ca0 is there. Now you can see here, this is with the plus sign, same term will return. This is with the minus sign. So xae will go in the numerator and xae minus xa in the denominator, and xae will cancel out. So you get ln of xae minus into bracket 2 xae minus 1 into xa by xae minus xa, and that is equal to same right hand side here. So this is the expression which we are getting, y is equal to mx form. So plot this term. If you have concentration and time data, you can write or convert the equations in terms of concentration. If you have conversion time data, then you can use this directly. So this is on y axis, on x axis t, and this complete term except t, 2 k1 1 by xae minus 1 into ca0 is equal to slope. So once you know the slope, ca0 will be known, xae is also known for a given reversible reaction, equilibrium conversion. You can find out k1, and once you find out k1, your problem is solved, because k2 you can find out from equilibrium relationship here. So k1 is found out and k2 is found out. So you can write your expression in the form k1 numerical value CACB minus k2 another numerical value CRCS. We will see the problems based on this.